is Nikita, and I'm a student recruitment officer at the University of Winnipeg, located in downtown Winnipeg, Canada. The University of Winnipeg is known for its small classroom sizes, personal attention from award-winning professors, and superior student support. The University of Winnipeg offers 65 plus different programs in areas such as arts, sciences, business and economics, and kinesiology. Canam and University of Winnipeg have worked together for nearly 10 years as trusted partners in bringing students to Canada. As an official and authorized agent of the University of Winnipeg, students can be rest assured that their Canam counselors are well informed and have a direct line to the university when processing their applications. The University of Winnipeg is happy to have welcomed hundreds of Canam applicants over the years. Kindly set an appointment with the University of Winnipeg desk number 75 to meet with me from September 10th to September 24th on a date and time slot that is convenient to you.